Good morning, everyone. Before we get into this update, I want to go over a quick synopsis of what is transpiring. First, this will only be about a 10-minute update because my son starts his first day of school here and we've got to leave in like, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. So we'll go over the XRP technical analysis as it's up 0.37% on the morning, right around the 56.9, 57 cent level. We are above the 2018 resistance by a pretty clear margin. And it looks like we were trying to build a continuation to try to get up to 58 cents. We have a golden cross that just occurred in the 45 minutes. So if we come down to 56.6 and hold that area, we would still maintain that integrity of that pattern. 2 hourly, pretty much the same thing. We're about to have a bullish cross here. Now, it is almost 8:30 a.m., 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We always talk about this. If we're having a rally overnight, generally we'll end up dumping down a little bit as consolidation to see if the formation is strong enough to hold. Right now we came down a little bit. We've got golden cross in the 30, 45 minute. Hourly is pushing. If we hold the 200 day at 56.9 cents, we'll end up having a golden cross if we push up to 58 cents. The tactical move up is 58 cents from that short-term pattern push to the top side. 55 cents is the 2018 resistance, which is the support line now that we're trying to flip underneath. It's been resistance for over 6.5 years. So that is something to watch here. And then if we look at it from this regard, we have 57.38 over the top. And then that could open up the door if we can push 58 over that 63 cents. That's the technical target off of this short-term descending consolidation that could have brought us to 50 cents. But now if we push it to the top side, it has that same move to 63 instead of down to 50. So a lot to look at. Please make sure to hit that like button so YouTube does recommend this update. It would greatly be appreciated if you hit that like button. YouTube can recommend my content, and then it'll pop up in the news feed so you can make an educated and informed decision whether or not you want to watch it. So make sure to hit that like button. We'll go over this just a little bit more here. And you have a few seconds, hit that like button. I'll catch you on the other side of the intro. Good morning, 8:02 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Tuesday, September 3rd, 2024. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So I want to thank everybody for tuning in. If you're part of the copy trading group, yesterday we had a, 2%, 6.5, and 10% moves. So we had a pretty good day yesterday. We're up like 19, 20%. I believe we're up to like $246.60 over where we started. So we're up 246%. If you're interested in that, that's in the video description below and our pinned comments. Join HOTCOIN via the links. Once you put money on the futures, you type in the copy trading, we'll go to the search for XRP. My name will come up. You follow me and then you can copy trade. Just follow the directions. Or if you want to join me on BITUNIX, we can start copy trading, we've heard, starting after September 10th. So we'll see what that's all about. I'm pretty excited about that. So you can get onto the exchanges in the video description below in our pinned comments. Both of them are no KYC or VPN. So take advantage of that. All right, so let's take a real nice look at XRP right now. Right now, our first level resistance, if this continues to play bullish, which it is right now, that's up at about 58 cents. So this morning, I'm looking for this first initial move to about 58 cents if we continue on this bullish thesis, which it looks like as of right now, we are in the hourly. 2 hourlies engulfing. It's going to try to be an engulfing candle to the top side, but we'll see. It's not a fully engulfing candle because it started mid-tier, which is good because there's no downward pressure. But we're trying to push this first level in the 2 hourly as 57.4. The actual target right now in the short term is 58, and then over the top 63 if we can break these resistance areas. And what we're going to be looking at is this setup right here that's going to help us push through here. And we just have to remember 57.3 cents is the actual formation we fell out of. and the technical move up out of this short-term consolidation, if we could break back up, is around 63 cents. But we have the tighter consolidation just on this descending structure that we can see exactly where this brings us in the shorter time frame. Let's say we broke up from right here. Yeah, 63 is the top narrative if we break up. But you got 57.38. We know about the just over 58 cents. But this is your technical move, is like 59.65. We talked about this yesterday a lot. But this is where we would identify as the move being. So I would say somewhere around 59.65 today, as long as you don't see XRP come back through 56.15. If we're being supported on 56.15 and we break through 57.38, according to this, there's no reason why we shouldn't go to 59.65. And in fact, it would circumvent a little bit this shorter time consolidation, because this gets us up to 58, and once you clear that, there's nothing until what we just talked about, that technical move. So that is definitely something that I am watching this morning to see if we can maintain hot and keep moving. We talked about this when XRP was around 54, how it looked like an inverse head and shoulders. A double bottom had been put in on the 2018 resistance support that it's trying to flip. And now it's starting to push up, and now it's playing out true. So this is very interesting. Bitcoin, real quickly, and then I will release this so you guys can see this, because my son, I got to leave in about 10 minutes. W reversal on Bitcoin. It looks like it's trying to put in another reversal here as well. And if it would have dropped down, we had a technical drop down to 53,930 or 979. Instead of dropping down there, let's just say Bitcoin gets hot here and it plays true. We've got a big resistance up at 67,696. We've also got a, I don't know if it's even going to be able to push past these areas, but we've got a resistance at 60, 61K. But right now, I mean, if you're talking about just bouncing from one area to the next, if we break to the top side, 67K area is what's over the top. If we were to break down 53,979, in the shorter time frames, Bitcoin's looking a little bit bullish here, as we have crosses in the 1 hourly of the 50 and the 100 day from the 20 day. We're moving up to the 200 right now. The 2 hour time frame on Bitcoin, we're being supported on the 20 day on the way up. These are looking like little reversals here. The problem is we need to make sure like a head and shoulders doesn't build, but it looks like little reversals are building across crypto. So we will continue to monitor this as the day goes on. I'll do a short this afternoon. I anticipate I'm going to be doing my normal live tonight. So we'll have a lot of information to talk about today. So make sure you stay tuned. So in conclusion, the XRP market cap right now is up $225 million to $32.153 billion. It's not that we're in no man's land, but right now underneath we have 27 million as a pivot layer. We never even came close to coming down there. We're still painfully below that 40 billion. And if we look at the XRP market cap, to get up to that 40 billion, all that does is pushes us back to the rising channel resistance. So we do have to work our way back up there uniformly. Otherwise, we're kind of in no man's land. We had a W reversal here, a big wick consolidation, as you can see there in the daily, all the way down to like 24 billion. Pulled back up, and now we're trying to get hot here. Right now with this pattern setup, we're just trying to stay above 30.5 billion on the XRP market cap, and then we can try to push volatilely. So, and then if we look at the shorter term narrative in time, we still have to try to push 6204. That's the rising channel resistance, and now the cup and handle resistance is above the rise or below the rising channel resistance. It's pretty interesting here, but that is a level that it's not debatable. We have to get above this level, or it can be a little bit brutal here. But if we break above here, we have a setup formation here that has it all the way up to 75 cents. That could be a little cup here as well. So, I mean, that's resistance over the top. If we can get over 62 and ultimately that 63 cent area that we talked about, we have a move up to, it's roughly 74 cents. That's the beauty of this. This could start going quickly if we can make a move to the top side. It's just, we've been stuck in consolidation for a while. Thank you all for watching this update. I'm XRP Future Millionaire. It's about half as long as normal, but I have to take my son to school here. It's the first day. If you want to show me personal support, you can always send a YouTube super chat one time per month. Look in the homepage, click on the links where it says BITUNIX, and you can find Cash App, Venmo, or PayPal if you want to donate outside of YouTube, Or you can join Tom's Army and get that emoji badge of me being abducted by aliens in month 1, and the Diamond Hands badge and the 3-year badge. Have a blessed evening or morning, everyone, and we'll touch base soon.